Hi guys, good afternoon. It is about noon time here. I'm going to the where the guy is digging the hole. I just turn off the music. It is so loud. Oh, here I am. A clay dirt. Wow, it's deep. This is almost I think 7 feet. Or not 7 feet. 8 feet or 10, I don't know. Ah, 8 feet probably. Wow. We're just hoping and praying that there's no rock here. It seems like the soil is a salt. As you can see here. No rock yet. Oh, we're hoping really. So nice because they put a tarp here. It is not hot. It's not hot really. Oh. It's a big, a huge hole. I think this must be 4 by 4. Or 5 by 5, 5 by 4. Oh. This is already 4 days. I think 4 days. Yesterday is 3. Today is 4 days. Okay. I need to go up now. It's too hot here. Wow. Anyways, we have a not really deep hole. So we can have water, guys. Actually, today, I cook early. Around 10 o'clock in the morning. Because Amy and Steve wants to visit today. So we were waiting for them and the table is ready. I just prepare a simple food. I cook hot dish, guys, and I fry beans. So I just wanna stop here for a while. Looks like my throat dry. It's so hot, really. It is not really not good when you walk here in the sun. You're gonna get dry, and soon you will get will be passed away. And here it's a little bit cold. We have all kinds of shades. And very nice, fresh air. So this is the best place to sit. Wow. See the fresh air? Oh, nice. So nice here. I'm picking up the empty bottles. Because this is the one that I'm going to plant a lettuce. I'll just make 3 holes here and put I use the disposable glass to plant lettuce. So I can just say goodbye for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please like and comment and also subscribe. Bye. Hi guys, we're going to pay our bill, our electric bill. Okay, Philip will stay here and wait for me. We will pay the bill here. We are not because this kind of here in Burgos, we won't go to the main office because there's somebody who managed already the papers for the bills here. So this is our neighbor here. It's only not really far. This is, I think it's only 2 kilometers. So I just wear a hat here. It's a jungle here, guys. Very jungle. I am not sure how much our bill, because Philip gave me 3K, so it must be close to 3K our electric bill for this last February, month of February. So here is the place that we will paying the bills. Nice cool place. Guys, I'm back home now. It's failure because the lady who assigned that paper, she went to Barangay Hall and bring all the papers. Very good.